In this video, we're going to talk about a very good hack to get leads and get a lot of clients in very crowded industries without even doing direct outreach to your clients. It's called the partnership strategy. Let me give you an example. We have this client who's a mortgage broker. So what happens is when you're selling a house or buying a house, right, you obviously can't pay all the amount upfront. So you take out something called a mortgage. In the US, it's a big industry. So these are loans essentially. Let's say you're a real estate agent. You have this client who really wants to buy this house, loves this house. He can put in the down payment. Now he has to just go get like a loan, right, to buy the rest of the house. This client mortgage broker came to us and wanted more clients. We thought a little creatively. We said, if we reach out to somebody and say, are you buying a house? Do you need a loan? Then the conversion rate on that would be very low, 0.001%. Because what's the chance of a random guy? What's the probability of a guy on LinkedIn wanting to buy a house and wanting to take finance? We did something different. We said, why don't we reach out to real estate clients and just tell them that, hey, I want to partner with you. Whatever leads I get, I want to give to you, right? As a real estate agent. And if you get any leads and if you want somebody who wants to buy a house, just tell them about me, and then I'll give you a kickback and we'll finance the guy, right? Because I can do hard to finance loans. And it worked really well. Let's look at the campaign. Okay, so this is the campaign that we ran, right? So let me just go and show you the campaign. We ran it for a little bit because yeah, we ran it for a little bit, but these are the results so far, right? So if we look at the messaging sequence, this is what it looks like, right? Step one, send a connection request. We just send a blank connection request. It works really well. This is the first message we send after connecting. Hi, first name. Thanks for connecting. I was wondering if you'd be open to partnering. Who's not, right? Like partnerships are great. You're not, forced to buy something, and you're not, you know, connecting with somebody and selling something that they don't need, right? So partnering is a great way to just approach people. I run a mortgage company and we've been in business for over 21 years. We're able to provide the most dominant pricing in the industry, offer all residential loan products, and I specialize in hard to finance borrowers, right? So he's telling them about what he can do uniquely, looking to see if there are few ways to partner and or refer business to each other. So this is the money shot, right? This is the killer line, right? Because what he's positioning as somebody who can be a resource to this person as well, and obviously it's a two-way street, right? So partner or refer business to each other is a key line. Now this is the next message. If they don't reply to the last one 3 days later, did you get a chance to look at my last message? First name, I'm looking for a few real estate agents I can get to know better, trust, and potentially do business together. So it's making it like a exclusive circle, right, for himself. Do you ever run often into situations where clients find homes they want to make an offer on immediately, but they aren't pre-approved? So he's talking about the pain point that he solves for their clients, and ultimately real estate agents get their commission once the house is bought or sold, right? So he's making their life easier. Then finally, it seems like you're not interested. Would you be open to connecting us with a colleague that we could discuss with? So he's again asking for that right person hack, using that right person hack. If you ever do want to connect and learn more information about us, visit our website or email me to schedule a virtual call. So let's look at what kind of responses he got. So this person says, I would definitely be open to the idea of collaboration. It's still in California. So then he, has a chat, and then over time, like he becomes a good partner to them. Absolutely. If I have any clients looking, I can send them your way. Please send me some info. Hope your week is off to a great start. So yeah, it's yeah, he made a good connection that way, right? And he's even told them about curious, last name is very similar to mine. What national origin? So they're German, right? Bruns, right? So yeah, so he's made a friend. Again, partner. This person says, I'm already partnered with several lenders, so not a good fit. This person says, yeah, I'm currently doing some apartment locating. I'll be back in residential sales. So again, it has a good connection. Under my featured section, would love to. Do you have time to discuss in detail? So he's got a few leads already, and we're continuing the campaign, so he'll get more. The goal is to, again, not sell something. Don't connect with somebody on LinkedIn or via cold email and just try to sell them something. It doesn't work. Think of other creative ways. This partnership hack is a very successful hack. We've done it for this client, we've done it for a few other clients, and it works tremendously well. So again, make sure to stay tuned to this channel for these kinds of tips around targeting, copywriting, tactics that will help you get more customers coming into your door all day, every day for very cheap, right? So make sure you stay tuned and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.